through here. Manitoba. Good morning, everybody. We're on an adventure, but it's not my adventure, it's Chris's adventure. So this is Chris Adventure Day, and we're in Manitoba right now. So Chris figured he'd go collect all these parts of a car here, engine here, tranny here, here, there, and everywhere. So we got to go pick up a car and haul it all the way back. He's having midlife crisis. Wants to soup it up. Go pick up some young chicks. Scratch that part. So if you like long, boring trips and cool cars, come on along. Let's see what we find. All right, we're south of Winnipeg. This is Morris, Manitoba, and we're still trying to figure out how to find this car.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Oh, we gotta turn here. 23. Piston Ring Auto. There we go. Famous burgers.
Arriving at Morris.
Oh, we're in Morris. Right on. Well, this road is not very good. Whoa.
A little wobbly.
Wobbly, yeah. Speed fine stuff.
Yeah. How are you gonna?
Oh, we gotta skip the whoops.
That's probably why they put that on there.
There, see, he's trying to skip the whoops. Top to top. Come on.
See, it just wants to crank with the key for some reason.
Oh, well, okay.
Yeah, it won't start. I'm not sure why, but
But it'll, if you jump it outside, it will.
then it will, yeah. That's all. It's not kind of confusing. I think it's the ignition that's broken, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. Just before. Last time I had it anyways, I think just before winter.
Now.
Hey there, buddy. You come with the car? Hey. Yeah. You're cute. You can't hide in there. A Ford Fairmont. 78,000 kilometers. Could be 178, maybe 278. I know nothing about cars. This is a 1978. Now it's to make this into a muscle car, so here we are. That down there is an old Patterson elevator, a wooden elevator. That's Patterson's from our hometown. That's pretty cool, old wooden elevator. It's windy as heck out here today. These are the prairies. Chris over there dealing with the car. Then we got to go pick up a motor apparently, and a transmission. Alright, finally we're ready to roll. Hopefully everything goes good. Up to the next stop. Alright, we're leaving Kane, Manitoba, and we're headed for... Dolphin, whatever that is.
The next middle of nowhere.
So how does it feel to have blown your life savings and your long weekend, Chris? That about sums it up.
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright, we're in Dolphin. Looking for a hotel.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, we're following this guy to go pick up Chris's motor, so if we're never seen again, it could be that we're out here somewhere.
Yeah, not saying it's quite like Nullaloo, but it's an awful lot like Nullaloo.
And when they say we're planting the fields, they don't mean seed. Okay, I have to say, I'm getting a little frightened here. Ah, truck! We're not in Dolphin anymore, Toto. Alright, windier than heck out there. We got engine pieces all loaded up, so we're heading back to the hotel, and tomorrow we'll be on our way home. Hopefully everything holds up. We got a lost cow wandering on the road. We got cows.
tagged and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, little heifer.
On the wrong side of the fence, buddy. Lake Manitoba Narrows. Ooh, everybody's out fishing this morning. Pretty cool. Back in Ontario. Yay. This is where they they want to divide the highway here, so they're actually starting work on it. That'll be an ongoing process for a long time. I'm home. 2,200 kilometers in 2 days and a car and a bunch of parts. Not mine, of course. Not my adventure, but Chris has got all his stuff. So, hope you enjoyed the little abbreviated trip. It was long and time to go to bed. Thanks for watching.